Hello, my name is Aaron Grossman, and on behalf of the Talent Launch Network, along with all of our independently operated staffing and recruitment companies throughout the United States, I wanted to express our gratitude for all of those who have continued to trust us during what is one of the most difficult times in our nation's history. At the time I'm recording this message, COVID-19 has infected more than 500,000 Americans, and it has claimed the lives of almost 20,000 people. These are people who were loved and admired by their family, friends, community, and others. Within the last couple of weeks, we've had staff members within our network who have lost grandparents as a direct result of this deadly virus. My wife and her family once lived next door to the great John Prine before he did big as a singer-songwriter. He also passed away this week from complications stemming from the coronavirus. So many people are devastated by something we can't hear, smell, or feel. This invisible monster hasn't just taken the lives of those we love, but it has absolutely devastated our country's economy. To fight the invisible war we're in, most states have issued a shelter-in-place mandate, forcing so many companies to cease operations and for the majority of us to stay in our homes as much as possible. I believe we have over 16 million people who have recently filed for unemployment. Our country has never seen anything like that before. The federal government recently approved the CARES Act, which is meant to put trillions of dollars into the hands of people and businesses to help steward us through this crisis. Unfortunately, the Unemployment and Small Business Administration offices are so understaffed to handle the amount of claims being filed that I fear COVID-19 virus will not only kill our loved ones, but it will also destroy many of our fine businesses throughout our country. Popular restaurants and bars, innovative startups, as well as multi-generational businesses are on their version of a ventilator as they cling to life, hoping a miracle will happen to save them. To those businesses fighting to survive, we pray for you, your staff, and your families as you fight to make it through this mess. We also express great pride and admiration for those on the front lines of this war. Thank you to all the healthcare professionals who risk their lives every day to help those in need. You are our true heroes. I also want to thank those who continue to work with those companies and industries deemed essential. There is great honor in the dignity of work, and there is something so honorable in what you're doing for all of us during these unprecedented times. Thanks to the grocery store employee, the production associate working at the plant or the distribution center, and anyone else who's taking risks so that our country can have some semblance of normalcy. As the CEO of the Talent Launch Network, I am so grateful to all of our employees who are helping the economies in our communities each and every day. We have always believed that talent is the most important asset to a business, and we have the privilege of helping those who believe in the dignity of work find opportunities with our partnered companies who are deemed essential and need people to help our country fight this war. Honestly, I am so grateful to be associated with a network that was designed to effectively support our communities in a crisis like this. We were able to mobilize so quickly almost 300 people within our network and move them to a remote work environment. Our entire infrastructure has been living in the cloud for several years now, which made it relatively easy for our internal workforce to work from home and to continue to operate as business as usual. With innovative onboarding solutions, we are able to meet all the compliance regulations required to place people into temporary jobs, while also having an integrated video interviewing platform so we can still properly vet out talent and maintain our trusted partner status with the thousands of companies we service throughout the United States. Gratitude is one of the key pillars that define the culture that lives within all of the independently operated staffing and recruitment companies within the Talent Launch Network. Although there is a lot of pain and suffering in our current state, we still choose to be grateful. Grateful to be able to wake up every day and live a life. Grateful to have food to eat. Grateful to feel love. We are also grateful to know there is always great opportunity and innovation when we are faced with tremendous adversity. While this novel coronavirus is devastating us in this moment, I am confident that we will overcome and we will become an even better nation for having lived through it. I believe that in my heart. Try and stay positive, everyone. Let gratitude be your guide through this crazy season we are in. We are humans, and we are tough, resilient, and resolute in our drive to be the best we can be. Thank you.